What's up, guys? We're really excited that we're launching a new division of Order from Chaos, and we're here to talk to you about that today.
Yeah, we're going to take the last 8 years of experience that Shane and I have had together of planning events, fundraisers for nonprofits, all kinds of different events, and we're going to bring all that effort together, and they're going to start this new division called Order from Chaos Events. Here with me is Brendan and Katie. They're joining the team, and they are going to be a lot of the brains and planning behind this part of our company, and Brendan's going to share a couple things about what we're doing together.
Right, thanks Jess. So I've been doing events for a couple years now as a DJ. I've done planning, DJing the event, a lot of MC services. We've also done lighting and entertainment, different types of games at your event. Anything to make your special day what you want it to be. And we're going to help you through that entire planning process, which Katie can talk to you a little bit more about.
We'll also be going into a separate company that works mostly with weddings. We'll help you, we'll be as hands-on as you want or as hands-off. We can be your day of coordinator. We can be involved in every step of the process that you need us to be, from catering to flowers to telling you when to walk down the aisle. Anything to make your day as amazing as you want it to be.
So if you want a free consultation with the team, let us know. Go to our website, ordermychaos.com. There's going to be a ton of information. There'll be pictures, there'll be services, everything will be there for you. You can email us at jess@ordermychaos.com as well, and we'll be there to help you plan your event to make it an amazing experience for you and everyone that's part of it. We'll talk to you soon.